AI, artificial intelligence, chat GPT. It's all the buzz today. So here's a way you can use AI to your benefit in just some simple ways. And don't worry about AI. You've been using it already for probably 15 years. You use it when you search, it's on your phone with predictive text. When you go to Amazon Prime and order, you are always using AI. When you select a video out of YouTube or Netflix or Amazon Video, you're using artificial intelligence and you've been using it for about 10 or 15 years. But here's a practical tip. I call it a mini bucket list. I just ask AI, what are some fun things to do this summer, this fall, this winter? But I ask, what are some fun things to do this summer on a budget? And one idea was, here's some day trips. And then I investigated further, asked further, tell me about day trips. And then when we got down to the final response or the final results, I had a list of about 7 to 10 day trips specific for me, specifically where I lived, and it said where to go, drive time, where to stay, the activity to see, where to eat, all in detail. And it just was simply a few questions. So there's one practical tip where the average person, can use AI to my benefit and save time, make life easier and fuller. And why would you want to do this? Why would you want to learn AI? Because someday everybody will say either I wish I had or I'm glad I did. When that day comes, will you be saying I'm glad I did, or sadly, will you be saying I sure wish I had? We'll talk soon. See you.